there, and welcome back to this Java development course. So, last time we went over relational operators, and you had some homework to do. Your job was to extend the application that we created previously, and add in more than, less than, more than or equal to, and less than or equal to functionality as well. So, here is essentially what you should have done. So here I have Boolean more than is A is more than B. Then Boolean less than is A is less than B. Boolean more than or equal to is A is more than or equal to B. And less than or equal to is A is less than or equal to B. And then I just print the values correctly. And this is essentially the whole application. Let's go and run this. And we can now input, let's just say 7 and 8. And there we go. 7 is equal to 8 is false. 7 is not equal to 8 is true. 7 is more than 8 is false. 7 is less than 8 is true. 7 is more than or equal to 8 is false. And then 7 is less than or equal to 8 is true. So let's go to input two of the same numbers. And there we go. 7 is equal to 7 is true. 7 is not equal to 7 is false. 7 is more than 7 false. False. 7 is more than or equal to 7 is true. And then 7 is less than or equal to 7 is also true. So there we go. That is essentially what you should have done. So if you got that, that's actually very good. If not, don't worry about it. Try to understand this code, replicate it, add some things to it, get creative, and you're good to go. So without further ado then, let's get into today's lesson. All right, so today we're going to be going over logical operators. Now, I'm sure at this point you're looking at me like, how many operators are there? And there are actually quite a few. But the point is, we're going to be using all of them later on. So it may not seem all too important as of now, but later on, as we start to get into more complex applications and start to discover new features in Java, you'll start to